Hello all, welcome back to our channel. This is Sujita from VSESILKSAREES. In this video, we are going to see brocade, handloom, kanchipuram, soft silk sarees. All these sarees are bridal wear collections, rich jari work in soft silk. So we have different color combinations. All are awesome color combinations. So we are going to see all these colors in this video. We have 10 different colors in this design. This is the most hit design in our brocade soft silk collection. So please don't miss this video. Watch this video fully for all those color combinations. So before we get into the video, please do subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon so that you will get regular notifications whenever we are uploading fresh collections. All these sarees are our own manufacturing sarees, freshly stocked from our looms. We have fresh collections uploading daily, so you can check our YouTube channel for more collections. So we are going to see 10 different colors in this design. All these sarees are brocade soft silk sarees. A double warp premium quality silk, comes with a SILKMARK certified. A very first color is a beautiful pink with green combination. A pallu and blouse comes in a beautiful leaf green, and all over the body you have a pink. You have a geometrical jari work which is woven all over the saree. With both sides you will get a tissue border. So this design is woven all over the saree. All these designs are woven in gold jari. So you will get a rich bridal look all over the saree. The saree is woven in full gold jari, a geometrical pattern. This is the back side of the saree. And next is a beautiful violet with leaf green combination. All these sarees comes with a contrast pallu and blouse. And the body a beautiful dual shade violet with both sides a tissue border. So all these are beautiful color combinations. We have 10 different color combinations. So please don't skip this video. Watch this video fully for all the color combination and design. This is the back side of the saree. A beautiful geometrical design. And next is a teal with pink combination. So all are very beautiful color combinations, dual shade color combinations, bright color combinations all are. So please don't miss these collections. If you want to book any of these sarees, do take screenshot and text us in the WhatsApp. Our WhatsApp number is displayed in the screen. So you can share the screenshot and you can book with us. This is the back side of the saree. So we have very limited stock in each of these colors. So do book the saree if you want to book these collections. And next is a beautiful orange with yellow combination. Very bright combination. So we are shipping all over India and we give international shipping as well. So you can book it from anywhere. So please don't wait it. Do book right away if you want to book these sarees. All these sarees comes with a SILKMARK certified tag. So all are very beautiful color combinations. So watch this video fully for all those color combinations and book your favorite saree.